Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy gems in the Duolingo app. First you have to open up the application. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have our lessons from a course. From here we just go into the top row and tap on the gems. Then if you scroll down under the gems we find some offers that we can grab. We can buy gems for like 1200 gems, 1300 gems, 6500 gems, and yeah, we can just tap on whichever we would like to purchase, and then we are going to be redirected to Google Pay, where we have to agree to their terms and services, and yeah, that's basically it. Afterwards it's just a simple online purchase where we have to fill out the credit card details or debit card details, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.